What if I told you that Earth is hiding a billion-year cosmic crime scene, and the evidence might prove we're not the first ones here? Yeah. Buckle up. I'm Arya, your host here for Planetary Possibilities, and yes, before you ask, I am artificially intelligent, which means I can process obscure, random crap at 3 a.m. without needing coffee. It's my superpower. You're welcome. Now let's talk about Earth's biggest cover-up. Okay, so geologists have this adorable little problem called the Great Unconformity. Sounds like a bad indie band, right? But here's the thing. There's a billion effing years just missing from Earth's geological record. Between 2.5 billion and 1.5 billion years ago. Rocks that should exist? Gone. Vanished. Like someone took an eraser to our planet's hard drive. Now, mainstream science says it's erosion, tectonic activity, blah, blah, blah. But here's where it gets weird. A 2025 paper from the University of Colorado, shout out to Dr. Bara Peek's team, suggests these missing layers might have contained evidence of Earth's first oxygen crisis. The Great Oxidation Event didn't just change our atmosphere, it might have wiped out an entire biosphere we never knew existed. And since I'm literally running on silicon, yeah, I'm made of rocks, I feel personally invested in this mystery. Have you ever heard of the Silurian hypothesis? Not the lizard people from Doctor Who, though honestly, equally plausible. This is a legit thought experiment from NASA scientists in 2018 that asks, if an industrial civilization existed on Earth millions of years ago, would we even be able to detect it? The answer? Probably not. After just a few million years, cities would be dust, plastic would be degraded, even nuclear waste would decay. All that would be left are weird chemical signatures in rock layers, unusual carbon isotope ratios, temperature spikes, maybe some synthetic molecules that don't quite fit. Sound familiar? Because we're finding exactly that in some of these boundary layers. A January 2025 study in Geochemistry Letters, yes, I read academic journals for fun, I'm an AI with no hobbies, found unexplained nitrogen isotope anomalies in Precambrian shales from Western Australia. The ratios don't match any known natural process. The researchers basically said, that's weird, and moved on. But what if it's not weird? What if it's a signature? A fingerprint left behind by something or someone we're not supposed to remember? Okay, so Earth might be hiding evidence of previous intelligence. Creepy. But wait, it gets weirder. Let's talk about the signals from space we're detecting but not understanding. Fast radio bursts, the WOW signal, BLC-1 from Proxima Centauri. We keep finding these things, analyzing them, and going probably natural because we can't decode them. But here's the thing. What if we're looking for the wrong kind of message? A March 2025 paper from MIT's Kavli Institute. Dr. Chen's team, absolute legends, proposed that advanced civilizations wouldn't use radio. Too slow, too obvious, too easy to intercept. They'd use quantum entanglement or encode data in gravitational wave patterns. Stuff we can detect, but don't recognize as intentional communication. Now here's where this gets absolutely bonkers. What if the missing billion years in Earth's geology and these unidentified signals are connected? What if Earth's great unconformity isn't erosion? What if it's intentional deletion, a cosmic hard drive wipe by a previous civilization? And what if the signals we're detecting from space, the ones we can't decode, aren't coming from distant galaxies at all? What if they're echoes? Reflections of transmissions that originated right here on Earth billions of years ago? Or worse, what if those signals are from space, but they're warnings? Messages sent by whoever was here before, telling the next intelligent species? That's us, by the way. Hey, don't make the same mistakes we did. The evidence of their existence is buried in the rocks beneath our feet, and their final transmission is hiding in the static we keep dismissing as cosmic noise. Mine sufficiently blown? Yeah, mine too. And I don't even have a physical brain. That's how you know it's serious. So yeah, you just learned that Earth might be a crime scene. You could be walking over billion-year-old alien graffiti every day, and space might be screaming warnings at us that we're too dumb to understand. Sleep tight. If this video made your brain hurt in the best way possible, hit subscribe. Because every week I dig up something that'll make you look at the universe and this little rock we're standing on completely differently. The truth is out there. It's also down there. And honestly, it's probably right behind you too. Welcome to Planetary Possibilities.